നമസ്കാരം. എല്ലാ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട പ്രേക്ഷകർക്കും ഈ ഒരു സമയത്ത് ഒരുപാട് സ്നേഹം അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ആൻഡ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് സംസാരിക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന ഒരു സിനിമ ചൂടൻ, ദക്ഷിണേന്ത്യയിലെ തന്നെ കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷത്തെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ഹിറ്റുകളിലൊന്നാണ്. അക്കങ്ങളുടെ ഭാഷയിൽ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 100 കോടി ബിസിനസ് ചെയ്ത സിനിമയാണ്. അവാർഡുകളുടെ കാര്യം പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷത്തെ എല്ലാ അവാർഡുകളും വാരിക്കൂട്ടിയ ഒരു ചിത്രമാണ് ഡൂക്കുഡു ഇൻ തെലുഗു. എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ഈ സിനിമ മലയാളികളുടെ മുന്നിലേക്ക് ഇത്രമാത്രം പ്രാധാന്യത്തോടെ എത്തിക്കുന്നു? ഈ സിനിമയുടെ പിന്നിൽ പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്നവർ, മാധ്യമങ്ങൾ, എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ഒരു സിനിമയ്ക്ക് ഇത്രമാത്രം ബാക്കപ്പ് കിട്ടുന്നു, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇത്രമാത്രം പ്രേക്ഷക ശ്രദ്ധ കിട്ടാനായിട്ട് കാരണം? അതാണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ചർച്ച ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഇതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ നന്നായിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ അടുത്ത് സംസാരിക്കാൻ പറ്റിയ ഏറ്റവും അനുയോജ്യനായിട്ടുള്ള വ്യക്തിയാണ് എൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത്. ദ ചൂടൻ ഹിംസെൽഫ്, ദ പ്രിൻസ് ചാർമിംഗ്, ദ എലഗന്റ് സൂപ്പർ സ്റ്റാർ മഹേഷ് ബാബു.
Hello.
Namaste. My sincere pranamam to you, Mahesh ji. Now let's talk about Chudan. Or for you, maybe it would be really easy to do.
Yeah.
So it is being launched in a bigger way, like never before. I have seen a lot of movies in Telugu are being dubbed to Malayalam. Even yours also. Last one was Businessman there.
Yes.
But Dookudu or Chudan is special because it is being launched in a bigger way.
Bigger way, yeah.
Why is it so?
Firstly, I think because Dookudu was a very special film for all of us, especially for me in my career, which came out. I think it went on to become one of the biggest hits in Telugu film industry. It's a landmark film in my career, and so we took special care to make sure that we get a very good release in Kerala, and so we do have a very good release now. The theatres are very, very good.
Yes.
And I would like to thank Dilip sir because he's been helping us.
Yes, absolutely.
And so we actually waited for the right release.
Right time also.
Right time also. And so when special care has been taken so that the Kerala audience would love the film.
Yes.
And so we are all hoping that it will do very
It
good.
is just releasing like any other Malayalam cinema. It's not like it is not treated like a dubbed movie because the special care and the perfection you guys have put on in each department, even the music, the marketing, the dubbing, everything is really good. The extra effort. What do you want to say?
It's nothing. It's like I said that we want to give the perfect film for the Kerala audience. We want them to enjoy it like how the Telugu audience enjoyed the film. And even I would like to thank my producers also because they took really good care. Like I remember last month when someone of the song, the track didn't sound
Really
like not that good. So one of my producers flew down to Kerala, changed the voice,
Okay.
made sure that the song sounded right.
Okay.
So deep down inside, it's just not like we don't want to dub it and make money or whatever. It is something more for us. We really
It
want.
is maybe to celebrate cinema above the
It's
borders.
because of the film. It's the kind of film Dookudu is. You know, we all feel very, very special for that film. So care is being taken so that the Kerala audience enjoy the film.
Yes. And coming to the character you are playing in Chudan, and it's there are many layers to this character. There are more dimensions to the character and about the role.
Initially, for me, I've never done a character like that with so many shades. So it was a little difficult first 2-3 days, but then I would like to thank my director, Sinu Vetlagaru, because he was there of immense help. And after 7-8 days, I started enjoying the role.
Okay.
So once that happens, you know, you'll come out with flying colors, and that's what happened.
Many people here itself in Hyderabad told me we love Dookudu only because Mahesh sir did comedy or did humor.
Exactly. There was, before Dookudu, there was a time when people were saying, I mean, Kaleja was there a film before that, but people were saying that he's very, very good, but maybe he's not so good in comedy.
Or he is not complete.
Yeah, but with comedy is an entirely different game. So
okay.
maybe they said, okay, he's a little weak in comedy and stuff like that. But with Dookudu, it just went away because it was a dimension where I think it was very new for me and my fans and everybody.
Yeah.
And I'm very thankful to my director.
There's this police officer character and there is a politician therein, and that reminds me of another guy who is really dear to Malayali audience. That would be Prakash Raj.
Yes.
And seldom we see son-father relationships on screen.
Yeah, that
and
was-
it worked big time here.
It was very new for, usually father-son emotion has not been touched so many times
Yeah.
in Telugu. And so with the minute I heard the story, and the connect was so much with
Okay.
with the audience in Telugu cinema also. Somewhere even my fans thought that there was a connect between me and my real father. So that helped
Really
for
good.
Dookudu actually.
Okay. There is a big cast and crew, and everybody who has worked in Dookudu, great actors, including Prakash Raj. There is beautiful Samantha is there. There is Nazir sir is there.
Nazir sir, yeah.
So about their contribution towards the movie.
Everybody contributed. I think Prakash Raj was brilliant. I think he's worked in every film of mine before, and it's always a pleasure working with him.
Yes.
So the scenes between me and him were actually very easy, because when you have an actor performing like that in front of you, you automatically, your performance becomes good.
Yeah.
So it's always a pleasure working with Prakash. He was brilliant in the film. Nazir sir was very new in Dookudu, because even though he attempted a lot of comedy when in his area in Tamil cinema, in Telugu he's never actually done a comedy role.
Okay.
So Nazir sir just came out with flying colors, and people loved him because it was new. Nazir sir doing comedy, and everybody was brilliant. Samantha was very good in the film.
And the music, Mahesh ji.
Music, yes.
And I had a chat with the music director, and he told me that when he was composing the song, you were in his mind throughout, because here in Hyderabad, here in Telugu cinema, actually people are expecting the best from their heroes. So the demand is really high. So I think music has been really good for Dookudu. And have you heard the Malayalam songs?
Oh yes.
Okay, how is it?
First initially I was like, yeah, it sounded very sweet, because we've been hearing these songs for like, it's been 2 years, and during the composing, and we've traveled with Dookudu's
Okay.
music so much. So immediately when you listen to the Malayalam version, it's like you need to listen to it 2-3
Yeah,
times, for us
I
at
know,
least.
I know.
But then it was just amazing.
Yeah. I know that you are very much aware of the fact that you have got a big fan following in Kerala, and it is growing day by day there, because people are watching your movies, dubbed or real. Now, for them, for the people who are going to watch this movie, what do you want to tell them?
It's a big thank you first, and I would like to have their blessings, because like I said, Dookudu is a film where it changed a lot in Telugu cinema industry. So we took special care,
Okay.
and we've made sure that it gets a proper release, so that the Kerala audience enjoy the film. So hoping the film
Yeah.
does very well, and I get their blessings.
Yes. Dileepan is actually launching to today's function. It's just like our dear star is welcoming other star
Exactly,
to
because
the.
I met Dilip sir last year during Filmfare Awards
Okay.
in Chennai, and a very sweet gentleman, because he was there and he spoke about Dookudu at length, and he said it will do very well in Malayalam. So he gave us very good encouragement, and because of that we got that confidence that maybe we should just take the special care.
Yeah.
And I'm really thankful to him for being by our side, encouraging us, because very few people do that, because when you're a superstar in a Malayalam industry, you don't really encourage somebody else. But Dilip sir was very kind.
Yeah.
So I'm
That's
very
really
thankful.
special about him.
Very thankful to him. In
And-
fact, I saw his Bodyguard, the Malayalam version.
Did you
and
like
I
it?
Absolutely loved it. I even told him that he was superb in the film.
Yeah. Do you visit Kerala?
For holidays, a lot of times. I love Kerala, basically. I love the resorts and stuff like that.
The backwaters
In
and
fact,
all.
Trivandrum, there's one hotel called Leela, which
You
I
love that
yeah.
place. Okay. So thank you so much for the time, Mahesh, because the people are expecting you for the release, but you are in shooting.
I've been shooting day and night, but I really wanted to come down. But who knows? I'll just take a day off and visit.
Yeah,
also.
please do visit. Thank you so much for
Thank
the
you.
time.
Thank you so much.